Success begins the moment you decide to claim your power. Alam mo ba na ang tagumpay ay hindi lang nasusukat sa pera? Ang tunay na tagumpay ay ang ikaw ang may kakayahang pumili at kalayaan na magdesisyon. Anumang oras, saan ka man naroroon. Ang tunay na tagumpay ay iyong nakapagbibigay ng pakiramdam na you did it. Ito ay ang pakiramdam na tinatawag nating self-fulfillment. Iyan ang natutunan ko sa convention namin few days ago. Nang dahil sa global movement, my mindset shifted. We were surrounded with successful people who share their stories. Alam mo ba that your brain is the most powerful asset that only you have a total control? And when it is well trained, almost everything you want to be is possible. Ikaw ay matagumpay kung ikaw ay may kakayahan na makamit ang pakiramdam ng kalayaan at kapangyarihang gawin ang gusto mo. Kayo ngayon pa lang, itanim mo sa isipan mo. Ikaw ay may kakayahan. Ikaw ay sapat. Nasa iyo na ang mga kailangan mo para magtagumpay. You are enough. Everything you want to be is already within you. Success begins the moment you realize you are enough. I am Regina. I used to doubt my ability just like you until I claimed self-empowerment. I am a mom, a former caregiver, former housekeeper, and a former mental health care worker. I am now an online digital business owner. I am mentoring you for self-empowerment. So, if you want to learn more, comment yes, and I will connect with you.